Running ads for clients is more than just a job for me. The over $30 million that I've generated for my clients has been life-changing. And honestly, it's about so much more than the money. It's about my clients being able to achieve those huge, crazy, scary dreams that they've always had on their hearts. I'm talking about a single mother being able to buy the house of her dreams because her business finally took off. Another client of mine who outgrew the space in their basement and now needs 2 warehouses to fulfill all of the orders that are coming in. This was a huge dream of theirs to no longer be working out of the house. Because of all of the extra revenue that they have, they are now able to give back thousands upon thousands of dollars to their community. See, for me, it's not about the money. It's about the lives that have been able to change through the money that's been earned. It's about the extra time that these mothers and fathers are now able to spend with their kids. It's the fact that the ads are doing the heavy lifting for them, so they can enjoy more of what's most important in life.